Hi, I'm Julius. Welcome to Tech UgLakor. If you're still new here, please make it a must to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my updates. If you're here for the first time, let's make this clear. Samsung has chosen the logical Galaxy S11 to be called the Galaxy S20. The information originally came from reputable tipster S20, and he's now reconfirmed his statement. The renaming makes some sense. 2020 marks the beginning of a new decade, and Samsung has concluded the old one with 10 annual Galaxy S flagships. Making the next one the Galaxy S20 will differentiate it, especially when put side by side with the Galaxy S10. By all accounts, Samsung is bringing out its best in the Galaxy, and it will feature no less than 3 devices, but likely 4. The Galaxy S20, Galaxy S20 Plus, Galaxy S20 Ultra, and most probably the Galaxy S20 5G. They will use an Exynos 990 in some markets and a Snapdragon 865 in the majority of markets. They will have bigger batteries than their predecessors. The Galaxy S20 Plus is said to have a 5000 mAh unit, and it will be made official on February 11 and go on sale on February 18th. The Galaxy S20 and Galaxy S20 Plus are expected to have quad camera setup highlighted by a 108 megapixel main sensor that delivers 12 megapixel photos from a 9-in-1 binding method, high megapixel telephoto cameras with up to 5x optical zoom, and naturally an ultra-wide snapper. Not least, Samsung will make the direct jump to 120 Hz refresh rate with the Galaxy S20. There is still much to come before Samsung unveils its next best phones, in which time we expect to see a lot more leaks hit the surface. Samsung allegedly held secret meetings at CES with partners and career customers, where it showcased yet unannounced products. This is not surprising in itself because the company has been known to do this in the past. What's more surprising is what came out of this meeting a few days ago. First off, Samsung mobile boss UgLakor allegedly revealed the official name of the phone we've all been calling Galaxy Fold 2 is going to be called Galaxy Bloom. Samsung is apparently planning to market this product to women in their 20s, which explains the name, although it's not entirely clear how, but also the shape. The inspiration for the design came from Lancôme's Compacts, and when you put the two side by side as seen, that's sure starting to make a lot of sense. The device won't have a plastic film on top of its screen like the original Galaxy Fold, instead using ultra-thin glass. The Galaxy Bloom will shoot 8K video and will be the first smartphone to support this function. There will be both 4G and 5G versions of the Bloom. Additionally, apparently confirmed the much-rumored new naming strategy for the flagship Galaxy S line. The 3 models launching at the February 11 event will be called S20, S20 Plus, and S20 Ultra. Samsung chose not to keep counting up one by one in order to properly celebrate the start of the new decade. The Galaxy S20 Ultra is said to sport a 108 megapixel main rear camera, as well as support for 100x zoom. All 3 will have 8K recording capabilities too. Thanks for watching, and if you're still new here, please make it a must to subscribe. Until next time, see you.